misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drift with tank and then we got upset. How?